In this video, I'm going to show you how to send view once photo or video on Messenger. This feature was only available on WhatsApp, but Meta has made it available on Messenger. To send view once photo or video on Messenger, open your Messenger app. Do like you want to send a photo. Select the photo you want to send. Instead of clicking send, click on edit. At the bottom left corner, beside the HD button, you will see the icon right there. Click on it. Photo set to view once. And when you send it, the photo is going to disappear after it has been viewed. So that's how you send view once photo or videos on Messenger. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.